Do you still remember? Anyone still remember? Please raise your hand. What did we learn last class? Transportation. Okay. Only about the transportations and plants. So proceed to the activity. Let's have a go first. So here I provide you what is it called? Hangman. Okay. So this hangman will be related with our topic today and also last meeting that we already learned. That we discussed. Okay. So today lessons will be about the laboratory activity, which you have to discover. Okay. Discover. What is that? I will give you a case or the problem later for you to solve. So, if I show you these pictures, also in your worksheet, there is a question. What phenomenon do you identify from these pictures? What problem did we find here in the picture? The problem identification. Okay. Oh, fastest. You are guys so fast. Okay. For the problem identification, who wants? Can you share? Can you stand up and share?
The plants.
What is the
plants
problem?
are wilting, meaning the plants are unhealthy.
The plants are wilting. The plants are unhealthy in unhealthy condition. Will you have to write 3 factors? Do you think can make the plants will? You can discuss. Never, I'll be giving you 2 minutes to discuss. Maxwell's even from the beginning, so I'll be giving the chance for Maxwell's group. So what do you think, Maxwell? Maxwell's group, please stand up. Who wants to speak? No, you have to. Share to your friends. Why do plants will? What is the 3 factors that you identify?
First factor, not enough nutrients. Second, not enough sunlight. And the third one, not enough water.
Not enough nutrients,
Yes, sunlight and water.
sunlight, and water. I will challenge you to design your experiment to see and prove that the water is transported in the plants. How to prove it? You said that plants will transport the water from the root to the other parts of the plants by what? By what tissue? Okay, so it also will be counted as the points. If a group gives a support opinion for this group. We are going to continue our worksheet so you can also know what to do there. You can read from the worksheet. Which first you have to collect the data and you have to put the data on the worksheet. Okay, so you can write your experiment result in the space below by making the table of experiment. So what data are you taking? Yes. Okay, how's today's activity? Isn't it confusing? Fun? Okay, that's good. Fun, even though it's confusing, basic. I have to think like that. Maxwell? Okay. Alright, so I'll be saving the points, continuing for tomorrow. So far for today, the highest points is on by group 2. So give applause to group 2. Okay. Alright, so I think that's enough for today. Please prepare for tomorrow. And after this class, you can put your experiment, your samples of the experiment on the place where you already planned to put it. You got it, everyone? Alright. Is there any questions before we close this session? No questions? Alright, so let's close today's activity and you can continue your class after this. Thank you everyone. Good morning. You're in grade 8. How are you today? Good. Are you in a good conditions today? Because we have a big mission right for today. So, okay. Before that, I want to check your attendance first. Still like yesterday? Yeah. Okay, Floretta is still. Before we do our activity today, let's pray together in accordance to our belief. So, pray, begin. What are we going to do today? I was explaining last meeting. What are you going to do? What is your missions for today?
Observe the plants. Observe the plants.
Anyone has hand and speak? Yes, go. What are we going to do? What? Checking the plants. What else? Checking the plants that we had yesterday. What else? What else? Yes, no, go ahead. We don't get it. Okay. Proving the experiment. Okay, proving the experiment. Wow, do you remember? Transportation. I heard someone say transportation. Okay, Galam, what is it? The absorptions of water. Okay, the absorptions of water in your body. So, in the plant. We will check. We will see your experiment as you already designed yesterday. As I saw, some of you have a different samples of the experiments. Like some of you are using celery plant, some are using the balsama roses plant, some use the green balsama roses plant, some use the red balsama roses plant, right? But before on page 3, there is a safety sign. you have to be careful in using what? In using the cutter. Because I saw all of you will use the cutter based on your experiment design, right? So please be careful in using a cutter. Just use it purposely for the observation. No playing with the cutter. No playing cooking mama. No playing pirates. Who wants to be pirates? Probably you have imagination. Okay, I want to be pirates, and you play with the cutter. Okay? Or maybe I like cooking, so I want to be like chop 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 chop. I'm giving you 15 minutes to observe the class, also to make the table, to write your data, to collect the data. Okay? 15 minutes starting from now. So, who wants to be the first to share? Kevin, always the fastest. Alright, Kevin, group 2. So you can clearly understand more about this transport system in plants. I will ask you 4, 5 to join the conclusions of this lesson again. Kev, Maxwell, I think. Class? Okay, opinion first about this lesson. What do you think? Before I give you the gist of the I think. Yeah, you think what? Oh, it's a new thing for you. All right. What else? Isn't it, like, is it easily to be understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Isn't it fun?
Yes.
Okay. So, any difficulties that you find?
No.
No. It's all just smoothly
Yeah.
running.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So later, as usual, I'll be giving you this. You can fill the reflection form before I ask you to collect. And also, I'll be giving you the practice as I will assess your understanding through this practice. Alright, so I'll be giving you this. Thank you for the activities today. You are great in having the class activity. So for next meeting, we are going to continue again the topics. Then after this, we are going to learn about the transpiration process.